This is the biggest flex for any iPad Pro artist. It just screams, I'm a serious artist, and yes, the iPad Pro is a canvas. Next question. It's encased in a plastic body with a silicone centerpiece called the Cradle to hold the iPad Pro. It has 4 legs with non-slip materials to keep the stand locked in place. You can adjust it to view in landscape and portrait viewing angles. When using the Sketchboard Pro in portrait mode, you can flip the stand to support right-handed or left-handed users. It also has a large handle at the top for taking it on the go. You can hold your Apple Pencil horizontally to charge on top of the iPad or vertically for easy access. On the back, there is a pass-through slot for charging your iPad if your battery gets low. There is also a camera cutout on the back of the stand to accommodate the large camera of the iPad and to take pictures if you want to. They also have a pressure lip system to secure iPad Pro models earlier than the 3rd generation iPad Pro without the magnetic back. The middle cradle has strong magnets that secure the iPad into place. The cradle can be swapped for an 11-inch or a 12.9-inch iPad shell. With these multiple replacement shells sold separately, the moment you lock your iPad into the Sketchboard Pro, you know that it's time to draw. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.